Are online banks actually good? Cracking the code on Tangerine. Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees? You're not alone. In today's digital age, a new wave of online banks is promising a more transparent, convenient, and dare we say, fun banking experience. But are they all hype, or is there a real alternative to the big banks? Enter Tangerine Bank, a Canadian online bank that's been making waves for over a decade. They boast a fiercely loyal customer base and claim to be the best in the business. But is that just marketing fluff, or is there something to their claims? Let's dive in and see how Tangerine stacks up, unpacking what they do well and where they might not be the perfect fit for everyone. The big bank blues, why look online? First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why even consider ditching your traditional bank? Many people feel stuck in a cycle of high monthly fees, limited banking hours, and a feeling of being just another number. Online banks offer a fresh perspective, often with lower fees. Forget those pesky maintenance charges. Many online banks, including Tangerine, waive these fees or offer ways to easily avoid them. 24/7 access. Need to check your balance at 3 a.m.? No problem. Online banking provides round-the-clock access to your finances from anywhere with an internet connection. Streamlined experience. Gone are the days of waiting in long lines. Online banks prioritize a user-friendly experience, allowing you to manage your money from the comfort of your couch. Competitive interest rates. Brick-and-mortar banks often have higher overhead costs, which can translate to lower interest rates on savings accounts. Online banks can sometimes offer more competitive rates to attract customers. Tangerine under the microscope, strengths and potential drawbacks. Okay, online banking sounds promising, but how does Tangerine measure up? Here's a breakdown of their strengths and some areas to consider. Strengths. Customer satisfaction champion. Tangerine boasts an impressive 12-year winning streak for the highest customer satisfaction among mid-sized banks in the J.D. Power Canada Retail Banking Satisfaction Study. That's a strong track record of happy customers. Fee flexibility. Tangerine offers various checking and savings accounts, some with fee waivers if you meet specific criteria. They also have no-fee credit cards with cashback rewards. Mobile-first mentality. Tangerine prioritizes its mobile app, offering a user-friendly platform for managing your finances on the go. Savings-focused. They offer a variety of high-interest savings accounts, including registered accounts like RRSPs and TFSAs, which can help you reach your financial goals faster. Considerations. Limited physical presence. As an online bank, Tangerine doesn't have physical branches. While their mobile app is great, some people might prefer the option of in-person customer service. Investment options. Tangerine offers some investment products, but their selection might be limited compared to some traditional banks. Account minimums. Some Tangerine accounts require a minimum balance to avoid fees. Be sure to check the requirements before opening an account. The verdict. Is Tangerine right for you? So, is Tangerine the online banking holy grail? It depends on your needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Ideal for tech-savvy individuals who prioritize convenience, low fees, and competitive savings rates. Maybe not the best fit for people who value in-person customer service or require a wide range of investment options. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to research your options and see which bank aligns best with your financial goals and preferences. Tangerine is a strong contender in the online banking space, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Do your homework, explore your options, and choose the bank that empowers you to take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.